Tired of juggling too many tools? Discover the next generation of KNIPEX tools, engineered for unmatched speed, precision, and effortless performance. From smart design to powerful innovation, these pro-grade tools transform the way professionals work. Watch till the end to see the magic in action. And don't forget to subscribe to Tools Gallery for more amazing KNIPEX updates. There is always something to screw or tighten, and having the right tool on hand makes all the difference. Meet the KNIPEX Pliers Wrench XS 8604-100, a compact yet powerful tool designed for convenience and efficiency. Small enough to fit in any trouser pocket, this versatile pliers wrench handles nuts and bolts up to a spanner size of 21 millimeters. Built with professional KNIPEX quality, it delivers reliable grip, precise adjustment, and long-lasting performance. Perfect for quick repairs, everyday tasks, and on-the-go professionals who value practicality and precision. Meet the new and improved Cobra ES. Reach where the original Cobra can't. The redesigned 10-inch model 8751-250 offers increased capacity, front gripping serration, and a cross groove for holding smaller round materials like nails. Its slender head ensures better access to confined spaces. The new 7 1/4-inch model 8751-180 provides the same features in a compact size. Both tools have a jaw capacity of 1 1/4 inches for round and hex materials and feature push-button adjustment. 18 positions on the smaller, 25 on the larger. Introducing the KNIPEX MultiCrimp PV 973303, the all-in-one crimping tool for PV installations. Tired of carrying too many tools, wasting time, and getting inconsistent results? This tool has you covered. It includes all essential crimping inserts for conductors, terminals, and connectors, including MC4 and MC4 Evo 2 connectors in 4 and 6 square millimeters. The smart rotating magazine clips to your belt, keeping every insert right where you need it. Built with professional KNIPEX quality, the MultiCrimp PV streamlines your work, saves time, and delivers precise, reliable results for every installation. Meet the updated KNIPEX ComStrip 1262-180, the self-adjusting wire stripper that makes work effortless. This tool lets you cut and strip common cable sizes with ease. The revised version includes 2 upgrades: an integrated cable cutter now handling finely stranded wires up to 6 square millimeters, and an ergonomic dual-component handle for low-strain, controlled work. Proven strengths remain: an adjustable length stop from 6 to 18 millimeters, fine adjustment of cutting depth for special insulation types, and a robust yet lightweight fiberglass reinforced housing. Perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Say goodbye to tedious stripping. Meet the new ErgoStrip PV, 169503SB, the PV stripping tool designed for precise and clean work. This tool safely and efficiently strips PV cables in 4 and 6 square millimeters. It also features an adjustable length stop from 6 to 18 millimeters for repeatable, accurate results. Classic trusted features remain: stripping conductors from 0.2 to 4 square millimeters, fast and precise stripping of round, damp-proof cables, and longitudinal cuts with the ergonomic pistol grip design for safe, controlled operation. Ideal for professional PV installations. Introducing the KNIPEX Long Reach Needle Nose Pliers, 28x1-280, built for power, precision, and performance. Designed with a slim, extra-long shape, these pliers easily reach low-lying and awkward parts where other tools fail. Perfect for gripping, holding, and assembly tasks, they provide higher prehensile power to make your job faster and easier. Whether you're working in tight engine bays, electrical cabinets, or fine installation projects, this tool ensures freedom of movement and reliable results. When space is limited, but accuracy is essential, trust KNIPEX to deliver the professional quality you need. Meet the KNIPEX TubiX 903102BK, the tube cutter built for speed, comfort, and precision. With its quick-lock one-hand locking system, adjusting to different tube sizes is effortless, and the easy one-handed push makes every cut smooth and controlled. Made from high-grade ball-bearing steel, this cutter guarantees strength and long-lasting performance. Plus, the removable deburring tool ensures clean finishes every time. From plumbing installations to demanding electrical work, TubiX is engineered to deliver professional results with minimal effort. When efficiency matters, this cutter is your reliable partner on every job. Introducing the KNIPEX Cable Tie Cutter Set, the smart solution for safe and precise cable work. Designed to remove cable ties cleanly, it protects the insulation from cuts or damage, keeping wires secure and intact. With its ergonomic design, this tool ensures comfort and control, even during long hours of use. Perfect for electricians, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts, the Cable Tie Cutter Set makes every job faster, safer, and more efficient. Whether in automotive work, electrical panels, or home installations, it's the reliable choice for clean cable management without compromising safety. Introducing our KNIPEX automatic crimping pliers for wire ferrules, 975314, and the chrome-plated version 975514, now updated with greater capacity. These pliers crimp single-wire ferrules up to 16 square millimeters, AWG 6, and twin-wire ferrules up to 2 by 10 square millimeters, AWG 2 by 8, covering more than most electricians ever need. The hexagonal crimp ensures a nearly round form, perfect for tight connections. Automatic adaptation handles wires up to 10 square millimeters with an easy wheel adjustment for larger ferrules. The ratcheting mechanism guarantees a full, precise crimp every time. Introducing our specially designed KNIPEX adjustable wrench, built for flexible gripping of all widths across flats up to 52 millimeters. With increased gripping capacity and 15% less weight, it delivers the same stability while reducing strain during use. The practical adjustment scale, featuring a precise laser-cut design, allows you to set the wrench opening before gripping, making every task faster and more accurate. Ideal for professional mechanics, plumbers, and DIY enthusiasts, this wrench combines strength, precision, and convenience. When you need reliable performance in tight or demanding situations, this tool is your ultimate choice. Introducing the KNIPEX TubiX Pipe Cutter, a compact and professional tool made for precision. With its smooth one-handed operation, it cuts copper, brass, and thin-walled steel with ease. The quick-change blade system ensures fast swaps without hassle, and the ergonomic grip keeps your hand comfortable even in long use. Built strong for daily work, it delivers clean and accurate cuts every time. Lightweight yet durable, the KNIPEX 2x is perfect for tight spaces, quick repairs, and reliable performance. Introducing the KNIPEX Pliers Wrench series in a brand new sleek black finish. The models 180, 250, and 300 millimeters now deliver even more performance. Each tool is designed to combine the strength of a wrench with the precision of pliers. This updated line is 10% lighter than before, reducing fatigue during long tasks. Plus, the improved grip area ensures comfort and control in every application. Durable, stylish, and efficient, the KNIPEX Pliers Wrench sets a new standard for professionals who demand power and precision. Introducing the KNIPEX TubiX, the innovative 2-in-1 tool that saves both time and effort. This professional-grade tool combines the precision of an insulation wire stripper with the cutting strength of a cable shear. With the Strix, you can easily strip wires up to 8 AWG without damaging the conductor. At the same time, the integrated shear lets you cut through cables and wires smoothly without crushing or deforming them. Designed with ergonomics in mind, its comfortable grip reduces strain during long use, while the durable build ensures reliability on every job. The KNIPEX Strix delivers efficiency, precision, and versatility in one smart solution. Introducing the KNIPEX Wire Rope Cutter, the professional's choice for clean and effortless cutting of wire ropes. Designed with precision ground blades, it delivers smooth, crush-free cuts that protect the integrity of the rope strands. Perfect for steel cables, wire ropes, and even fine conductors, this cutter ensures accuracy in every application. The high-leverage design reduces hand effort, while the ergonomic grips provide comfort and control during continuous use. Built from durable hardened steel, it's strong enough for daily heavy-duty jobs, yet lightweight enough to carry in any tool bag. Reliable, efficient, and built to last, the KNIPEX Wire Rope Cutter sets the standard for quality. Introducing the KNIPEX Alligator Water Pump Pliers, engineered for power, control, and versatility. With its slim head design, this tool reaches effortlessly into tight spaces where ordinary pliers fail. The strong, serrated gripping surface ensures a secure hold on pipes, nuts, and fittings, even in tough conditions. Thanks to the robust box joint construction, the pliers offer outstanding directional stability and long-lasting durability. A forged pinch guard protects your hands during heavy use, giving you both safety and confidence on the job. Available in multiple sizes and handle styles, the KNIPEX Alligator Water Pump Pliers deliver strength, precision, and reliability for every professional task.